Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. So today in this session I am going to discuss the most important issue which is related to international relations as well as from the perspective of national security of India. So what if I told you that a nuclear war between India and Pakistan was just a days away in May 2025 and that the man who stopped it wasn't a president or a diplomat or even the United Nations, but a general in uniform sitting alone with Donald Trump over the lunch. और ये पर्सपेक्टिव जो था ये सबसे ज्यादा प्रमोट किया मीडिया ने. So as you can see here, Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir is going to attend the CENTCOM Chief's farewell in United States, which marks second visit in 2 months. So this is considered as one of the most important news with respect to the visit of Asim Munir to United States of America, and that too again and again. And as you can see here that in a small period of time now he is going to visit US twice, है ना. So now remember this thing, that why did Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir, why he is going to fly to US not only once but twice in 2 months, skipping Pakistan's own civilian leaders to meet the US President Donald Trump and attend a military farewell. So what is actually brewing behind the secretive meetings, as well as is it about trade, it is about peace, or something far more shadowy like cryptocurrency, back channel deals and a grand geopolitical chessboard to counter both India as well as China. So in this video we will decode the stunning connections between May's Indo-Pakistan clashes, Trump's mysterious, you can say White House lunch with Munir, and the CENTCOM farewell, and also the hidden digital financial alliance. So we are going to connect each and everything. So stay till the end because we are going to uncover that how military uniforms, blockchains as well as global diplomacy, they are rewriting the rules of power in South Asia. So what is actually happening? So let's try to understand what is actually happening. So as you can see here that Pakistan Army Chief, that is Asim Munir, is going to United States of America again, and where he is going to attend the farewell ceremony of US Central Command, that is CENTCOM Commander General Michael E. Kurilla. Now, the General Michael E. Kurilla, he is the outgoing chief of CENTCOM, that is US Central Command, and this event will take place in Tampa, which is in Florida region where CENTCOM is based. Now, this is the second visit in 2 months. So this is General Asim Munir's second visit in 2 months. So try to understand, he earlier visited United States of America in June. Now, why it is considered as historic now? Previous visit जो की थी आसिम मुनीर ने, why it is considered as historic meeting in June 2025? तो आइए देखते हैं अब जून 2025 में क्या हुआ था. Now just try to understand. As you can see here, during his visit to US in June. So try to understand that during his June visit, General Asim Munir had 2-hour lunch meeting with United States President Donald Trump at White House. And why it is considered as historic? This was considered as historic because no senior Pakistani civilian leader were part of that meeting. And it was one-on-one military diplomatic engagement. Now, what was happening around that time? तो अगर हम जून की बात करें, so what was happening around that time? So let's try to understand. Now, as you can see here, that India had carried out the strike inside the Pakistan, that is POK region, and these were, now just before this meeting, remember this thing, India had carried out these strikes in Pakistan as well as POK region. Now these were in response to the Pahalgam terror attack, which India blamed on Pakistan-backed militants, as you can see here. So this was the news. Now, apart from this, the situation between India and Pakistan was very tense. Now, what did they talk about in the meeting in June 2025? अब June 2025 में और किन-किन चीजों पे बातें की गई? The discussion of the topics during those 2 hours of lunch was on trade, economic development. As you can see here, the discussion was on trade, economic development and cryptocurrency. But the main focus was on regional security. Now what Trump had said, now try to understand what Trump said. So as you can see here, तो उसी के बाद ट्रंप का एक बहुत ही बड़ा स्टेटमेंट आया. Trump has praised General Asim Munir for helping to stop a war between India and Pakistan. This was said by Trump. Trump actually said, the reason I had him here was I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it. Now, after that, what General Munir said, अब इसी के बाद जनरल मुनीर ने क्या कहा? जनरल मुनीर replied that the Trump should be nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. Why Trump should be nominated for this Nobel Peace Prize? So as you can see here, for averting the nuclear war between India and Pakistan, because Trump has announced ceasefire on May 10th. As you can see here, Trump has been claiming the credit for the ceasefire between India and Pakistan on May 10th, 2025. A ceasefire has been announced by the Trump, and this ended 4 days of intense fighting, which involved drone as well as missile strikes across the border. अब इन सभी चीजों में इंडिया की पोजीशन क्या थी, इंडिया का कहना क्या था, तो आइए समझते हैं. So now what India said, as you can see here, now India said that no foreign leader helped with the ceasefire. India denies that any foreign leader helped with the ceasefire, and India says that the peace was achieved through DGMO level talks. India has mentioned this thing, that we have achieved peace because of this DGMO level talks. DGMO means Director General of Military Operations, between India and Pakistan. So there was no outside help was involved. So overall ये जो article है, it talks about the General Munir is visiting again US to attend the farewell, and after already having a historic meeting with Trump, and already in June to discuss the peace and security, है ना, following tense India Pakistan conflict, है ना. And what was the reason? In late April 2025, a terror attack took place in Pahalgam, Indian Kashmir, which killed around 26 tourists, which has sparked the region most serious clash, है ना. तो ये सारी चीजें न्यूज में आई थी. तो अब अगर हम बात करते हैं कि ये विजिट क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकती है बिटवीन ट्रंप एंड जनरल आसिम मुनीर, तो इसके लिए समझिएगा, इंडिया हमेशा से ब्लेम कर रहा है पाकिस्तान के जो मिलिटेंट्स थे वो इन्वॉल्व थे, है ना. सो इंडिया ब्लेम दैट पाकिस्तान बेस्ड मिलिटेंट्स एंड डिनाइंग इस्लामाबाद नॉन इन्वॉल्वमेंट. एंड ऑन May 7 व्हाट हैपेंड? इंडिया कैरिड आउट द एयर स्ट्राइक ऑन एलिज्ड टेरर कैंप्स इन पाकिस्तान, जो कि हम सभी ने काफी सारे न्यूज में पढ़ा भी था, है ना. एंड पाकिस्तान रेस्पॉन्डेड विद द काउंटर स्ट्राइक्स, है ना. So these events occurred, और ये बहुत सारे न्यूज़पेपर में है, जैसे कि रियूटर्स काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है ना, पर्सपेक्टिव्स देखने के लिए, तो उस पे भी ये काफी सारी चीजें थी. नाउ एट दिस पॉइंट टू न्यूक्लियर आर्म्ड राइवल्स दे केम पेरिलसली close to the wider war, And in this scenario, after intense tit for tat exchanges, Pakistan Inter-Services Public Relations जो है, they have reported a formal ceasefire via military channels. पाकिस्तान के जो इंटर सर्विसेज पब्लिक रिलेशंस, उन्होंने रिपोर्ट किया दैट अ फॉर्मल सीज फायर वाया मिलिट्री चैनल्स टुक प्लेस, while President Trump he announced a cessation of hostilities on social media, which was mentioned in various news articles also. And then Pakistan का वहीं पर स्टैंड चेंज हो गया. पाकिस्तान thanked the United States of America for facilitating the calm, but इंडिया जो था, इंडियन लीडर्स है ना, लाइक प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदीज फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी एडमेंटली डिनाइड एनी फॉरेन मीडिएशन एंड ही वाज इंसिस्टिंग द ट्रूस वाज बायलैटरली नेगोशिएटेड. इट वाज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एनी फॉरेन पावर. सो इवन अमिड हाई टेंशंस, civilian traffic continued at the Atara Wagah, that is India Pakistan border crossing. And this crisis actually provided the backdrop to the Munir-Trump engagement. यहां से शुरू होती है आसिम मुनीर और ट्रंप की एंगेजमेंट, ये याद रखिएगा, है ना. इस सीज फायर के बाद से ही मुनीर एंड ट्रंप की एंगेजमेंट जो है हमें देखने को मिलेगी. सो नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पर्सपेक्टिव एज वेल, है ना. नाउ सो आफ्टर दिस ओनली ट्रंप एंड आसिम मुनीर एंगेजमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड. ओके, नाउ what happened? So US officials like Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Vice President JD Vance, they quietly pressed both the sides to de-escalate in early May. Now in public, later Trump claimed that he stopped the war by urging both armies to focus on trade and commerce, and crucially India denied any US role here, है ना. Prime Minister Modi's envoy, he stated that talks with respect to ceasefire, it was totally bilateral in nature. Now, then after that, Asim Munir and Trump engagement was started, and finally a historic White House meeting took place in June 2025. Now, what happened in that meeting? On 18th of June 2025, US President Donald Trump welcomed the Asim Munir to the White House for a private lunch. For the first time, a US president had hosted the Pakistani army chief without any civilian official. ये बहुत ध्यान देने वाली बात है. And this unprecedented one-on-one reflected a dramatic US-Pakistan reset. So during this 2-hour lunch meeting, Munir and Trump, they have discussed broad topics, है ना, बायलैटरल ट्रेड, क्रिप्टो करेंसी, ये सारी चीजें, इन सभी चीजों पे काफी ज्यादा चर्चा हुई. नाउ देन पाकिस्तानी मिलिट्री प्रेस, है ना, they have actually issued the statement and they said that Trump's keen interest in forging a mutually beneficial trade partnership with Pakistan based on long-term strategic convergence. अब ये चेंज कैसे आ गया? Because Trump explicitly praised both Pakistan as well as India for stopping or stepping back from the war, है ना. And that is why Trump said in public that I have stopped the war. And that is why Trump ने साथ ही साथ ये भी कहा that this man Asim Munir was extremely influential in stopping the war from Pakistan side. तो इस तरीके से समझ में आ रहा है दैट ट्रंप इज एक्चुअली सपोर्टिंग द पाकिस्तान आर्मी, है ना. एंड लेटर अ व्हाइट हाउस स्पोक वुमन रिवील्ड दैट मुनीर हैड लॉबीड द ट्रंप टू रिसीव द नोबेल प्राइज फॉर डिफ्यूजिंग द इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्राइसिस. क्योंकि ट्रंप को क्या चाहिए? नोबेल पीस प्राइज चाहिए, है ना. And that is why Trump was honored to meet Munir. Because of this, you will see that the personal style of relations have been established between Trump and Asim Munir that we need to understand. It is a kind of personalized diplomacy rather than a systematic policy shift. Okay. और उसी के बाद एक बहुत ही फेमस न्यूज चैनल है अल जजीरा. अल जजीरा ने भी ये चीज कहते हुए बोला that Munir signaled that Pakistan is not just on Washington's radar, it is in the inner circle, at least now. And this is mentioned on Al Jazeera news channel वालों ने ये चीज रिवील की. And however, the optics were also deliberate, like the visit excluded Pakistan civilian leaders, which underscoring that the military was the, you can say, military is actually important with respect to stopping the war, and the military was the interlocutors. और ये किसने मेंशन किया? ये मेंशन किया रियूटर्स ने. तो इसने अब इन सभी चीजों पे इंडिया ने कैसे रिएक्ट किया? इंडिया वॉज काम, इंडिया रिएक्टेड कूली, है ना. सो इंडियन डिप्लोमैट quickly rebuffed any US mediation, and they're emphasizing that its independence in negotiating in May ceasefire, है ना. And that is why India has denounced any suggestion that the US would play as a mediator in Kashmir. So actually that they have insisted, so they insisted that India would never accept any third party in its issue. So कुछ US एनालिस्ट का ये कहना है, some US एनालिस्ट they want that closer US Pakistan ties, जो ये है relations है, that is going to be a risk like alienating India, and they were also noting that India's partnership with Washington could be tested if Pakistan is quoted, है ना, if Pakistan is quoted. और ये सारी न्यूज कहां पर आ रही थी? रियूटर्स पर. और अब होने वाली है सेकेंड विजिट, सेंटकॉम. अब ये सेंटकॉम की विजिट इतनी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? अगेन मुनीर रिटर्न टू वॉशिंगटन टू अटेंड द फेयरवेल सेरेमनी ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट सेंट्रल कमांड, है ना, जो उनके हेड थे, दैट इज जनरल माइकल कुरिला. सो ऑफिशियली दिस सेरेमोनियल ट्रिप इज गोइंग टू ऑनर द जनरल कुरिलाज रिटायरमेंट, एंड कुरिला हैड बीन अवॉर्डेड पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री निशाने इम्तियाज. कुरिला को अभी कौन सा अवार्ड दिया गया? पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री निशाने इम्तियाज मेडल फॉर स्ट्रेंथनिंग द बायलैटरल मिलिट्री कोऑपरेशन. एंड वेयर इट इज मेंशन, दिस न्यूज इज मेंशन्ड इन ट्रिब्यून न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ पाकिस्तान, एंड पाकिस्तान नोटेड दैट दिस वाज मुनीर's second visit in 2 months and highlighted Kurila's praise of Pakistan as a phenomenal partner in counter terrorism. और ये न्यूज, ये रिपोर्ट आई है कहां पर? रिपब्लिक वर्ल्ड पर. तो हिडन एजेंडा जो है इस मीटिंग का, इस एंगेजमेंट का, इट इज लाइकली एक्सटेंड बियॉन्ड द सेरेमनी बाय सेंडिंग द आर्मी चीफ फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान रादर देन द सिविलियन ऑफिशियल. Pakistan signals that military to military channels are open, as well as deepening between Pakistan and United States of America. So there are various possible strategic motives which include negotiation of new defense partnership like training, joint exercises, arms procurement, etc. Then expansion of intelligence sharing also, as well as confirmation of US commitments. For example, Kurila's Washington colleagues may welcome Pakistan, which continued the role against the Islamic militants, especially ISIS Khorasan, which Pakistan helped United States of America to capture. And this news is also there in India today, है ना. So Asim Munir, by attending this CENTCOM, है ना, this actually positions that Munir is going to build a rapport with US officials, as well as possibly even the new CENTCOM commander, reinforcing the personal ties, है ना, which is established in June. So these are some you can say predictions हो सकते हैं, है ना. और इसी बीच में हमारे NSA, है ना, हमारे NSA साहब अजीत डोवल ने विजिट किया रशिया में. क्लियर? This is not liked by United States of America, as US has already announced 25% of tariffs on Indian goods, because US want that India should not buy oil, है ना, from Russia. तो ये कुछ चीजें हैं जो हमें यहां पर समझनी पड़ेंगी और इस न्यूज से कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो ओवरऑल व्हेन वी सी दीज काइंड ऑफ न्यूज, है ना, वी नीड टू कनेक्ट the previous incidents also. We need to connect various other things also. And one more perspective is there between US as well as Pakistan, that is related to crypto diplomacy. Okay, so Pakistan is exploring the alternative to US dollar, which could help in circumvent economic sanctions or hawala networks also. So all these things, all these development points to the hidden agenda of digital finance collaboration that extend Munir's agenda, which is beyond the parade ground into the banking sector also. तो ये कुछ यूएस के और पाकिस्तान के स्ट्रैटेजिक मूव्स हो सकते हैं इस विजिट के पीछे. सो आई होप दिस मच इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. नाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अब इंडिया के लिए काफी कंसर्निंग हो गया है बिकॉज द एंगेजमेंट बिटवीन यूएस एंड पाकिस्तान is getting closer. Now this is actually a concern for India. Now that is why India is actually strengthening its ties with Russia as well as other countries. So overall we can say, what do we really see when a general shakes hands in Washington while missiles fall in Kashmir and cryptocurrency deals are quietly signed behind the closed doors. So this is not just a diplomacy. It is a new kind of warfare, which is silent, which is strategic as well as sophisticated. So Pakistan is actually rebuilding its global image not with guns but with the negotiation tables, है ना, blockchain partnership as well as military medals. And what about Trump? He is not just playing the peacemaker role, he is positioning himself as a global deal maker also, a Nobel Peace Prize nominee, and perhaps a kingmaker in South Asia. So India is actually watching everything cautiously and China waits silently. And what about the world? The world watches a new chapter which is unfolding, where borders are redrawn not by the bullets but by the backroom bargains as well as digital tokens. So if this video made you rethink about the global politics, then hit like, share and subscribe the channel Legacy IAS Academy, because the real stories are never on the headlines. They are always hidden in the shadows. And tell us in the comment section, is this peace building or a power play? Thank you so much.